identified the cause of the mysterious new virus.
Coronavirus.
There are fears a rapidly spreading virus has reached Australia.
This is a rapidly emerging situation where there is not a cause for alarm.
The first
trying to contain a city of 11 million people is new to the science. It has not been tried before as a public health measure.
The third country on lockdown.
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
The immune system. Our body have natural various innate mechanisms that prevent pathogens from being able to enter our body. The skin and the mucous membrane covering the outside of our body and our internal pathways. Secretion including tears, saliva, mucus, and the gastric juice. Then we have artificial methods to prevent pathogens. Like medical treatment cannot only help us get better when we have an infection, but can also help us to avoid infection in the first place. We have three types: antisera. These are artificial solutions that contain previously prepared antibodies. Vaccines, a small amount of weakened or dead pathogens is introduced into the body of a healthy individual to produce lymphocytes and antibodies specific. Antibiotic, they either kill or impair the growth of bacteria. There are antibiotics of biological origin and synthetic.
This is my mind map of the immune system. Lymphatic system. Lymph nodes, located in areas of the body through which pathogens need to pass: neck, abdomen, groin. Lymphocytes, a type of white blood cells produced by the stimulation of the recognition of foreign material in the lymph nodes. Types of lymphocytes. B cells produce antibodies. Antigen, unique molecules in the foreign material. Antibody, its production is stimulated by each type of antigen. Once the body starts to produce antibodies, the individual is said to be infected with that particular antigen. T cells destroy foreign cells and body cells that are infected by a virus.
And the specific response. When a microbe enters in the body, it's engulfed by a phagocyte. Some phagocytes has antigens on their membrane and activates specific lymphocytes, producing antibodies for that antigen. When the message is received correctly, they activate lymphocytes begin to produce larger numbers of identical lymphocytes. Also, the activated B cells release antibodies into the blood, which can then react to antigen of the invading microbes, making it easier to destroy them. And the T cells recognize and destroy foreign cells and cells infected with the invading pathogen.
lymphocytes are white blood cells produced by the recognition of foreign material in the lymph nodes. Types of lymphocytes. B cells produce antibodies. Antigen is all the foreign material in our body and that stimulates the antibodies production.
The lymphatic system. The lymph nodes are located in areas of the body through which pathogens need to pass. The liquid that transports in the lymphatic vessel is called lymph. The recognition of foreign material in the lymph node stimulates the production of a special type of white blood cells, lymphocytes. There are different types of lymphocytes, B cells and T cells.
This is my mind now. I'm going to talk about the immune system. Natural barriers to avoid infection. The skin and the mucous membrane, covering the outside of our body and our internal pathways, respectively. Then prevent most microbes from entering our bodies. Secretions, including their saliva, mucus, and the gastric juice in the stomach, or contain substances that impair or destroy pathogens.
The lymphatic system. The lymph nodes are located in areas of the body through which pathogens need to pass.
Produce antibodies like antigens, unique molecules that contain the material that enter in the human body. Antibody is a specific type of antigens. When the body starts to produce antibodies, the individual is said to be infected. And the T cells that destroy foreign cells and body cells that are infected by a virus.